Alone we leave the broken road, where silent rivers bear the load. At midnight thirst consumes the soul. By dawn we fight to stay alive, still whole. Lonely lose their name, where rapids laugh like tongues of flame. Some cut the stair with timid feet, ducklings march toward mute defeat. So many trade their hearts away for copper coins that never stay. Our gods, the ones who shape this clay, then hide our sins beneath the clay. No guilt survives. Illusions weave our borrowed lives. When dreams dissolve before the light, yet chains still glitter through the night. We circle more than fate demands, making enemies with empty hands. The cruel vaudeville keeps its roll, while smoke ascends above the soul. Body white, melting slowly into night. Don't heal me with that fading flame. Its mercy always tastes the same. The weary bat begins to cry, heavy with every old goodbye. We pay at last the hidden cost for all we gathered, all we lost. I choose the storm before the change. Tide breaks forgotten banks with pride. 50 faces drowned as one, calling brothers when undone. Through the mud and sightless fields, where only stubborn silence yields. White windows glow beyond the haze. The wind has gambled all their days. Below the berries crimson bright, footprints fading from the night. Phosphor whispers in the mire, ghosts still breathing under fire. Nothing waits behind my heart, only the truth that tears apart. Judge me not for what I've known. Love has made this freedom grown. If all the worlds collapse to dust, if every promise turns to rust, I'll still walk beside your flame, calling softly out your name. Claim the years, wash away forgotten fears. I'll leave no gilded mask behind. Only love and mine. Alone we came upon this road. Together we become untold. Beyond the blanks, beyond the night. Your love is where I choose the light.